Today is the official first day that I'm moving my stuff into my brand new apartment. Okay, hold on a damn second. Look at my hair in this. I'm embarrassed. I may or may not have burnt like my entire top of my head off. In Vancouver, I am so excited and I could not be more excited. I'm actually with Jacob today and he's gonna come with me to go get my mattress and put it in my apartment. I'm really excited because there's nothing for me to even sleep on. It's just been an empty apartment for the past week right now. We just got the mattress and now we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna get a bunch of toilet paper and soap and stuff because we don't have any, and that is a necessity. We also we can get a bunch of cute detergent stuff. I'm so excited. Ah!
Get me in. I'm sorry.
Okay guys, step number one, I don't have any furniture at the apartment yet. First thing we gotta do is like get some cleaning supplies because we don't even have toilet paper there, and the amount of times I've had to hold, no, I'm not gonna say that. That is too much information. We're gonna buy all the cleaning supplies. We're gonna buy some soap, dish soap, laundry detergent.
I'm gonna make sure she keeps it clean and tidy, and you know, I'm the house cleaner.
I need like cute aesthetic like cleaning supplies so I get motivated to make sure that I'm extra cleaning. Cause now I have to clean like the kitchen, the garbage. Like I need like pink garbage disposal bags or something, or like pink scrubs. I actually really want the scrub daddies. I don't know if they have them here.
They don't.
Are they online?
Or the States do.
Anyways, we're gonna just buy a bunch of stuff and then probably once we get to the apartment, I'll do like a little like cleaning haul. Kind of fun. I'm so excited because I bought those jars and the little scoopy things to make them like the moms that have like super aesthetic cleaning routines. It's these things. They're like these little like, I don't even know. It's gonna be perfect. They're in-wash scent boosters. 12 weeks of freshness. Smells fire. We're at the apartment. Jacob says that he can bring the mattress in by himself. I don't know if he can. You need both of them.
I got it.
I'll just bring the toilet paper. We just realized that we don't have a knife, so I don't even know how we're going to open the mattress. I'm probably not gonna sleep here for another like 2 days because it needs like 48 hours to expand.
Hey, Fern.
I think the place actually feels a lot more homey now. I've been here quite a few times, so after doing the whole thing, it feels like home. There's not a single furniture piece, but it does feel a little bit. We're gonna have to do multiple trips because...
You're only carrying that?
I couldn't carry a camera.
And now I'm vlogging while holding a mattress.
My bed is here. It's memory foam, so we need to wait for it to like expand. I did choose to get a queen just because I don't think the room is actually that big and I already have a double at home, so I feel like a queen was already an upgrade. Now that I'm looking at it, it doesn't seem huge, but I'm probably gonna let it be. And then today's actually Saturday. I'm probably gonna come back, bring more stuff. First roll of toilet paper. Hallelujah.
Where are you? Fern? You can't follow me. I'm not gonna do this. Oh, my bum.
Okay, oh, we didn't even get the rest of the bags.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't.
This is everything.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes.
I'm gonna give you guys a haul from everything that we got from Walmart. These are all my laundry, bathroom, kitchen essentials. I'm gonna be a cleaning god, to say the least. Starting off, we got a roll of paper here. We got these Mr. Clean Magic erasers. So many of these sprays. Lysol all-purpose spray and Kitchen Pro for grime. I love this. We also got window cleaner for my big windows. Parchment paper for when I cook. Kitchen bags for all my garbage. It's actually gonna be funny. I wanna vlog the process of me taking the garbage out for the first time. It's gonna be traumatizing. This is aluminum foil. I am so ecstatic about these ones. I talked about it already, but they're like the TikTok little jars and you like do laundry with them. They smell so good. They're scent boosters, napkins, hand soap. I got purple lavender with shea butter, so it'll hopefully keep my hands soft. Also, keeping with the purple theme here, Febreze Lilac. This is my dish soap, lavender and lime. I picked everything based on the color. So pink scrubbies. I need scrub daddies. Plastic wrap. Toilet cleaner. Have you guys ever seen those aesthetic TikToks where people dump everything in the toilet and it's like pink stuff, and they always use this. Wet ones, classic. Like, this is just an easy little wipe here and there. More Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, extra durable. This is Super Fresh Blast detergent. That's basically my first haul of the day. This looks kind of insane. It looks like a giveaway right now. I did not realize how expensive everything you need for a new home was. All the little stuff that you have at your home, like the random kitchen appliances, even just, okay, well, obviously we're talking about cleaning stuff, but it's like, there's so many things that you need that you just kind of take for granted because they're just in your house and you just think that it's like a default setting. It's not, and you have to pay for it. So it seems like a lot right now, but these are all things that are gonna last me a very long time and that I need. They are necessities. You guys love when I do like room clean outs, and now I can do like home clean outs, apartment clean outs, and like with aesthetic cleaning supplies, which is super fun. Not that you need aesthetic cleaning supplies at all, but might as well make it fun, right?
Não me interessa, eu tô indo pra praia. Não me interessa.
Today is the first day that I'm bringing moving boxes into my apartment. I'm excited because it's finally gonna start feeling like there's stuff there. As of right now, all we have is the mattress and like the cleaning supplies and stuff, so I don't think I'll have time to unpack stuff, but my dad is driving me there, so I'm excited about that. Look at all the boxes that I have. You can hardly see, but there's just so many. I'm also a little bit sick, that's why I sound like this.
I've been thinking about good times, so tell me all your worst lies. I'll believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking
I said don't blow my high, I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green.
Okay, that took us 3 trips to get all the boxes up to the apartment. I'm exhausted. I can't believe it. My boxes are here. This is like the real deal. I'm so tired. I can't wait till everything comes. I ordered everything right before May started and everything was gonna come in May. The only thing that's gonna come in June supposedly is my couch. It comes middle of June, which is a little bit sad because where am I gonna see everyone when they come over? But that's okay. I don't think that the final apartment tour is gonna go up till probably end of July, early August, which is crazy to think about, but most people furnish their entire apartment not in 1 month. Like, it normally takes a few months, and even then people take ages to film their apartment tour. So I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can, but I do want it to be the best of my abilities before I put it out there. There's still so much to do. I have such a vision for this place though. I've made so many Pinterest boards, I've ordered so much stuff online, and I really think it's gonna look good. I can't wait for there to be enough stuff in here that there's no echo. Hopefully the echo isn't bothering you guys. Moving day 2. I just very quickly fixed my makeup, and the first item that we're gonna build in this apartment is my desk. I actually got this sent to me by Effie Desk, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much, Effie Desk. They sent me a stand-up desk that goes up and down and like a chair for editing. So finally, I won't have to be like hunched over on my bed. I'll be able to stand, which is really good for your back, and if you're editing for long hours or just being in a computer for long hours. And when I'm sitting, I'll be able to have a headrest. It'll just be so comfortable, so I'm very excited. Here is what the packaging looks like. It comes in 3 big boxes. I'm so excited. You can see the chair there. It looks a little bit intense. I honestly feel like this is gonna be a very good investment for me because I literally spend so many hours editing and I don't take care of my back, and I always have back problems. Also, check out my new tripod. I just got it. Recommendation by my fam, so thank you, Mai. It is called the Manfrotto or something, and I bought the selfie like iPhone extension as well. It just looks like this. I can link this below. You can see I attached the iPhone part. You could just flip this open and it just comes in and out, which is so much easier. And here's what the final desk ended up looking like. It's definitely not gonna go in this place, and it's gonna have the cables more managed. And there's so much more going into this, but I am gonna make a video solely on redecorating the office space. So just stay tuned for that. This is just for the meantime, but I love this desk. You can see here that it goes up and down, and I'm just obsessed with it. It is officially my first night at my apartment. I feel like if I was to be moving in like a regular human being, I could just get everything done in a few days. Probably not in a few days, but you know, you could just grind it out. But the fact that I'm trying to vlog it and get content at the same time is really difficult because everything needs to be recorded. I could just tell my dad, hey, can you do this for me? But instead I'm like, hey, we need to wait till I've done my makeup and I can film this. Like, it's just taking so much longer than it needs to be, and also waiting for good lighting, waiting for the videos to feel cohesive. Like, it's just taking so much longer than it needs to. So that is why I haven't unpacked anything yet. So tonight I thought we'd film a little, you know, first night with no stuff here. Well, I have a mattress, I have like sheets and stuff, and I have food and Uber Eats, and everything is walking distance, so it shouldn't be a problem. You know, we're gonna see what I can entertain myself with, because I also don't have Wi-Fi yet, and although I have been using my data, it's like I'm gonna run out of data. I just ordered this chicken sandwich from Travelers. So far, this is one of the martini glasses I bought recently. It's quite cute. I like it. I brought like all my hobbies. Like, I have my computer, I have my yoga mat, I have journals, I have coloring books, I have books, I have painting. So I really shouldn't be bored or anything. Look at the sun, it's peeking in. Look at this sunlight. I'm so excited. Woohoo! I don't think you guys understand. When I was manifesting an apartment, or when I thought about the apartment that I would want when I'm moving out, I'd always said I need my first apartment to have floor to ceiling windows, a big white kitchen with like an island. I wanted nice bathrooms that like would open up and like all my skincare would be in there. I wanted a balcony, I wanted direct sunlight, and I honestly couldn't have got it better. Like, I got everything I wanted. The only thing that I would have wanted even more was if I was a little bit higher up so that I could see the ocean from where I am, but that's really like being picky here, because trying to like find an apartment in Vancouver is literally impossible. This is what we've got going on. No sheets, looking pretty sad. Still have so much clothes to unpack. Thankfully though, my mom did send me a bunch of blankets and pillows, so I guess we might as well make the bed right now so that I have somewhere comfortable to sit on. We've got bamboo pillow protectors, got some fuzzy blankets, pillows, my other pillow. I've got this weighted blanket. Guys, you need to invest in a weighted blanket. This may or may not be my favorite purchase of all time, because when I'm sleeping and it's on top of me, I feel like I'm knocked out. Like, I actually can't even move. I have the comfiest naps and sleeps with this. Ugh, it's so heavy. And the last thing she got me was a bamboo sheet set. Now, I actually ordered sheets of my own, like other ones, like linen sheets, because I just really like that like aesthetic or the way that it looks, but it hasn't come in time yet, so I'm gonna use these. Apparently, bamboo sheets are really good for you. They're like super comfortable and lightweight. I actually hate making beds, and my mom's always so nice because she'll come into my room and like make my bed for me here and there. Now, no one is here to do that. It's just me. Okay. Okay, if I'm being honest with you, this doesn't look as aesthetic as I thought it would. I don't even have a duvet, and also these are all different shades of white, and they're not the matching sheets. It's been a few hours later. I've just been editing on my computer these moving vlog videos, and I just remembered my car is not parked in its parking stall. Like, it's across the street from where I live right now, and it probably has a ticket. So I'm gonna go change that, and I might just go to the grocery store. I have zero food here, so like I need to stock up. I'm only gonna be here for like 3 days actually, then I'm gonna go back home just because I have a date with my mom. This weekend I'm also leaving as well for like a little staycation for my friend's birthday, so like I don't wanna buy actual groceries, but just like enough stuff for today and tomorrow. So let's go do that. I'm gonna bring this fisheye lens and see if I can get some cool angles. The fact that there's a handprint here is not really sitting well with me. I'm realizing what they mean by Vancouver is the second most expensive place in the world. Why is everything so overpriced at this grocery store? I don't even think it's like that from the city I used to live in. Like, those eggs just costed $13. My milk was $6. My tea, like literal tea bags, was $6. And then a tragedy happened, guys. I am so upset over this. I deleted the rest of the footage of this first night alone. That would have been really memorable. So fortunately, I can't show you what I did. I did light some incense. I chatted on my balcony. I looked out on my view. I ordered some food. I watched Netflix. I organized my groceries. I even did some yoga in all the space that I had. But since I can't show you that, here's some pictures. This next day was a big moving day for me. The movers came and brought in my bed. This is from Sunday's Furniture. You'll obviously hear more about it when I do the bedroom makeover video, but it's so comfy. My dad also brought in my mirror, and then I bought a TV. This feels like such a big girl purchase, like it's kind of weird, but all I know is that it's Sony and it's 65 inches. I'm really happy about this, and I can't wait to start watching TV on it. And that is all for this first video. I hope you guys enjoyed and can't wait for the next one. I'll see you guys very shortly. I love you.